ready for the fried rice. You're gonna steam your rice just like the norm to get a better taste in your fried rice. You're going to wash your rice, okay? Not one time, two time. Wash it until it is clean, okay? So you're gonna add your rice to this. Yes, so you don't need a lot of water over the rice, you know. So no matter join the rice grain them. You see how my rice there? Yeah. I'm still going to take a little more water out of this because we're gonna steam the rice and not gonna boil the rice, okay? Because when it's shelly and nice, you get a perfect fried rice. Yes, so after your rice steam is out the shelly, yeah, so you want it nice and shelly. So you will allow it to cool and put it on the fridge until you're ready to use it. And you can have this on the fridge and use it anytime. You understand? Yeah, so this is what I'm going to use to make the fried rice. And this is the mixed vegetable that I made yesterday. Go ahead and dice these up. We're going to saute the onion in the oil first. Yes, so you're going to saute the onions. Just going to dice it up. And the same thing with the chicken, you're just gonna cut the chicken fine. Because when you're doing the sweet and sour, you need a protein, but I don't use egg in mine. So I'm just gonna add the onion to this, and I went ahead and chopped up a sugar for garlic also. I'm just gonna add that to it also. I'm going to add the scallion to this now. And the chicken. Then some cooked rice. Continue stirring until the grains are coated with the oil. Yes, I'm going to add some mixed vegetable to this now. See how good this look? Yes, so you have to, I use this soy sauce. You have to pour and mix at the same time. So I cannot show this procedure. Yes, so this is it now. So you're just gonna continue mixing this for like a minute and leave it for like another minute and then it is ready.